security is low here due to the ESP drop earlier.
It's quiet.
Yeah, a little too quiet.
We have multiple CCTV. Shooting them will trigger the alarm. Follow my lead. I'll cover you from the rear. You'll have 60 seconds to locate and hack into the terminal. Go, go, go.
I've located the terminal. Cover me. It's a trap. They were waiting for us the whole time. Overwatch. I'm not going to make it. I'm sending you the data now. I'm calling in an airstrike. Get out of here now. Command, come in. We've located the CRM-114 vault. I'm sending you the location for a nuclear airstrike. Authorization code 42069.